Firstly, thank you so much. मुझे हिंदी ऐसा ही आता है तो आता आती उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ होगा but thank you so much. This evening was great. When I look back at my journey in the industry, I don't know what work I've done, but I felt happy that जो भी मैंने किया, it brings me to a room filled with people who are so talented, and I end up being so humbled. And at least Amir sir is crazy enough to be that emotional in public, but though I love my seats, I sometimes wish that the lights were dimmed so that I can, be more emotional. You guys were unbelievable, every single person. You're all such beautiful narrators. I could see your emotions. I could see the visuals in front of me. It was absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for whatever's led you all the way here. God bless you, and may you continue to do this and influence more lives and touch our souls. Thank you. Today was a very emotional day for me because I didn't know this was happening. I thought Mehfil night kuch to hoga. Maybe they're singing, but this was something else. Thank you so much. Sometimes I feel that, my journey in the industry, I don't know if I was somebody who would genuinely go to a theater, go to a place where it's going to be a culmination of such talents, but whatever I've done has led me here, and I'm so grateful for the whole journey. Thank you so much. Sometimes it's just beautiful. Thank you. And thank you, Amir sir, for putting me in a space like this, picking me to be part of this movie where I'm able to enjoy this, feel so much of love. And every time you all spoke about love, I could see your face glow. That is something else. How beautiful. Thank you so much for today. And this is going to be my first Hindi film. And I wish...
Give it up for Sai!
I'm actually quite nervous. But it's an absolutely beautiful journey. Thank you so much, the whole team. Junaid was an absolutely beautiful co-star. An obedient child, actually. It's so nice. I had a great time. Thank you so much. आज मैंने prepare नहीं किया जो बोलना चाहता था, पर please माफ कीजिए. अंदर बहुत सारा प्यार है आपके लिए और thank you so much. और यहाँ जो भी paps यहाँ है ना, जब भी आप आवाज देते हैं, I feel like I'm a big deal. So thank you so much for all that noise out there.
As a producer, I feel so grateful for the intensity and the honesty with which each person has worked. We are missing Arijit here today. I wish he was also here. He sung so well. But Ram has given such great music. Each and every cast and crew member has done such amazing work on this film. So this is my chance to thank all of you. Sai has done such an amazing job. You're going to get blown, absolutely blown. And मुझे लगता है कि आज अगर मैं अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के कहूँ तो for me, Sai is the best actress we have in our country today. Yeah. And जुनैद ने भी ठीक ठाक किया है. अब वो मेरा बेटा है तो मैं ज़्यादा कुछ बोल नहीं सकता हूँ. But each cast and crew member has done so well, and I'm so happy with that. I think हम जो फिल्म बनाने चले थे हमने बनाई है. अब देखते हैं ऑडियंस को कैसे लगती है. And I want to say something specially about Sunil, who's directed the film. ये उसकी पहली फिल्म है. और Sunil has worked with so much passion, so much love. He's been so hardworking, so persevering. He's tolerated me. Actually, Sunil and I go back a long way. We worked a lot together. He was AD on Taare Zameen Par. Taare Zameen Par में मेरे first AD थे. उसके अलावा Delhi Belly भी थे, Rang De Basanti, and he also worked with me as my manager. Where's Advait? Advait? Advait, हाँ. Advait also was my manager, and then Sunil became my manager, and somehow my managers become filmmakers here. Bobby, any such plans? So, Sunil has really done a wonderful job. And Sunil, thank you so much for making such a wonderful film. And for bringing onto screen, what was on paper.
I had a great time on this film. I had a lovely time working with you, Pallavi. It was so much fun. I think I do kind of agree with Papa. She's probably one of the best actors we have in the country.
I would just like, since we are all standing here, I would say actually filmmaking is such a collective art that yes, directors put in front, but there are just so many people who work on the film, so many people who contribute to the film, and I strongly believe you change the cast and crew, the film will look different. So whatever we have today is actually a collective effort with some of the key people standing here, not everyone, there are a lot more people who worked on the film. And I hope whatever we've all collectively done, you guys like when you see.
Chennai Silks in summer mega sale. Chennai Silks summer mega sale.
The Chennai Silks in Mega Summer Sale.